Good morning everyone. So today we will be answering some questions about power plant. So first, number 43. How do you classify a solenoid valve? So A, a thermal valve. B, a magnetic stop valve. C, a bellows valve. D, a bimetallic valve. So here the answer here is letter B. A solenoid valve is classified as a magnetic stop valve. So the answer here is letter B. So next, number 44. What is a thermostat? So A, a temperature operated switch. B, a pressure operated switch. C, a superheat operated switch. D, a back pressure operated switch. The answer here is letter A, a temperature operated switch. Yan. Next is number 46. Which of the following is one of the main purpose of refractory in a boiler furnace? A, help preheat the air for the furnace. B, help preheat the feed water. C, protect econometer from excessive heat. D, prevent excessive furnace heat losses. So the answer here is letter D. Prevent excessive furnace heat losses. So next, number 48. Balance pressure traps are what type of steam trap? So letter A is thermodynamic, letter B is mechanical, letter C is thermostatic, letter D, they do not belong to any specific type of trap family. So the answer here is letter C, thermostatic. So last, number, what are the main considerations for steam trap selection? So A is price, B, air venting plant performance, flow capacity and reliability, C, connections, and D, trap must be the same size as the condensate drain line. So the answer here is letter B, the air venting plant performance, flow capacity and reliability. So that will be all.